In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run reports on Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand exactly how to access and run the reports you need. Let's start by heading over to the Salesforce interface. At the very top of your screen, you'll find the navigation bar, which houses various tabs that serve different purposes. Among these tabs is the Reports tab. Go ahead and click on it. Now, if for some reason you don't see the Reports tab right away, don't worry. Simply click on the App Launcher. This icon looks like a grid of 9 dots, which effectively are 3 rows of 3 dots. Inside the App Launcher, you'll find a search bar that can help you locate reports. Just type Reports into the search bar, and you'll be guided straight to where you need to go. Once you've navigated to the Reports section, the next task is to locate the specific report you want to run. Salesforce organizes reports into folders such as Public Reports, My Personal Reports, and many others to help keep everything tidy and accessible. You can scroll through these folders or use the search function to find the name of your desired report quickly. The search bar is a handy tool, especially if you know the specific name or keywords related to the report you're looking for. After successfully locating the report, it's time to run it. Simply click on the name of the report. One of the reasons Salesforce is so user-friendly is because most reports will automatically run as soon as you select them. This automatic feature ensures that you immediately see the most up-to-date data, letting you make informed decisions without delay. However, there may be instances where you find yourself looking at an older version of the report. If that happens, you don't need to worry. Salesforce has thought of everything. To refresh the data and get the most current information, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Run Report button. Clicking this will ensure that the report refreshes with the latest data, giving you peace of mind and reliable information. And there you have it. Running reports on Salesforce is as simple as navigating to the Reports tab, locating your report, and clicking to view the latest information. Remember, Salesforce is designed to make your work as efficient and straightforward as possible, and with these steps, you now have the tools to access the data you need quickly. That's all for today's walkthrough. Thank you for watching, and happy reporting.